When it comes to enhancing the curb appeal of your Orangeburg home, the right windows can make all the difference. Among the various window styles available, bay windows stand out for their timeless charm, ability to add depth and dimension to your home's exterior, and their numerous practical benefits. Bay windows not only increase the aesthetic appeal of your home but also provide a variety of functional advantages, such as improving natural light and increasing usable space. In this article, we'll explore how bay windows can enhance the curb appeal of your Orangeburg home and why they're a fantastic investment for homeowners looking to boost the overall appearance and value of their property. Adding architectural interest and elegance, bay windows have long been a favorite choice for homeowners who want to make a statement with their home's exterior. The unique design of bay windows, which typically consists of 3 connected windows that project outward from the wall, creates an eye-catching focal point that enhances the overall architectural appeal of your home. Unique design. The projection of the bay window creates a sense of depth, adding a more dynamic and expansive look to your home. This architectural feature makes your house stand out from neighboring properties and gives it a distinctive, high-end feel. Timeless elegance. Bay windows exude a sense of classic charm, adding an element of sophistication to your home's exterior. Whether your home follows a traditional, colonial, or contemporary style, bay windows can blend seamlessly into any design, providing a subtle yet striking touch. When installed correctly, bay windows can completely transform the front of your house, making it more appealing and memorable to anyone who passes by. Maximizing natural light and expanding views. One of the most immediate benefits of bay windows is the amount of natural light they allow into your home. Because bay windows are made up of multiple panels of glass, they offer a larger surface area for light to enter. This makes your living space feel brighter, more open, and more welcoming. Increased sunlight. In Orangeburg, where natural light can sometimes be limited by weather patterns, bay windows help maximize sunlight throughout the day. The additional light pouring into your home will not only enhance the interior's ambiance but also help reduce your reliance on artificial lighting, lowering energy consumption. Enhanced views. Bay windows provide panoramic views of the outdoors, making them perfect for homes with beautiful front yards or scenic surroundings. Whether you're enjoying your garden, a tree-lined street, or the cityscape, bay windows provide an unencumbered view that can bring the outdoors inside, creating a more connected and relaxing living space. The additional natural light and beautiful views bay windows provide can completely change how your home feels, enhancing both its interior and exterior appeal. Increasing usable space. Another important benefit of bay windows is that they add usable space to your home. The extension of the window beyond the exterior wall creates a small alcove or nook that can be used for various purposes. Cozy reading nook. Many homeowners with bay windows choose to add a comfortable chair or bench inside the window area, creating a cozy reading nook or relaxation spot. The abundance of light and views makes this space perfect for unwinding after a long day or enjoying a cup of coffee in the morning. Additional storage or display area. The space inside the bay window can also be used for additional storage or a display area for plants, decorative pieces, or family photos. This small expansion of your living space is both practical and visually appealing. By increasing the functional space in your home, bay windows add both style and utility without the need for extensive renovations or additions. Improving home value. One of the most significant advantages of installing bay windows in your Orangeburg home is the impact they can have on your home's market value. Bay windows are highly desirable features that potential buyers find appealing due to their aesthetic charm, natural light, and functionality. Increased resale value. Homes with bay windows typically stand out in the real estate market, attracting more interest from buyers. Not only do they improve curb appeal, but they also offer the added benefit of improved interior space and light, both of which are highly valued by homebuyers. Competitive edge. In a competitive housing market, bay windows can set your home apart from others. The unique architectural element will catch the eye of prospective buyers, helping your home stand out and potentially leading to a quicker sale or higher offer. If you're considering selling your home or simply want to improve its long-term value, installing bay windows is a worthwhile investment that will pay off in both curb appeal and market value. Energy efficiency and comfort. In addition to their visual appeal, modern bay windows are designed to be energy efficient. With the right materials and installation, these windows can help improve your home's insulation, reducing energy costs over time. Thermal insulation. Energy-efficient bay windows feature double or triple glazing, which helps keep warm air inside during the winter and cool air inside during the summer. This added insulation helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round while reducing the workload of your HVAC system. Lower energy bills. By improving insulation, bay windows contribute to lower energy bills over time. This makes them not only an investment in curb appeal but also in long-term comfort and savings. Conclusion. Why bay windows are a smart investment for your Orangeburg home. Bay windows are a timeless and elegant addition to any home. In Orangeburg, where curb appeal, natural light, and energy efficiency are highly valued, bay windows offer significant benefits that enhance both the interior and exterior of your home. By boosting your home's curb appeal, increasing natural light, adding functional space, and improving energy efficiency, bay windows can provide lasting value and comfort for years to come. If you're looking to elevate your home's appearance and improve its functionality, consider installing bay windows as a smart investment that will pay off both in the short term and long term. Consult with a professional window installer in Orangeburg to explore the many options available for your home today.